Hello everyone, and welcome back. Luxury homes in 2026 are more than just large houses, they're designed to improve the way we live. Today's dream homes combine elegant architecture, smart technology, natural materials, and comfortable living spaces that feel both beautiful and practical. In this video, we're taking a tour through the latest luxury home trends that are setting the new standard for modern living. Whether you're building a new home, planning a renovation, or simply looking for inspiration, these ideas will show you what luxury really looks like in 2026. Let's begin the tour. Home trend number 1: modern exterior architecture. First impressions matter, and the newest luxury homes make a statement before you even step inside. Clean architectural lines, oversized windows, natural stone, wood accents, and sleek metal details create a timeless appearance. Instead of overly decorative designs, architects are focusing on simplicity, balance, and high-quality materials that age beautifully. Large glass walls also connect the indoors with the surrounding landscape, making every home feel brighter and more spacious. Couch and lamp trend number 2: open living spaces. The heart of every luxury home is an open and welcoming living area. High ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, comfortable designer furniture, and soft neutral colors create an atmosphere that feels elegant yet relaxing. Rather than filling the room with unnecessary furniture, designers focus on carefully selected pieces that offer both beauty and comfort. The result is a space that's perfect for everyday living as well as entertaining family and friends. Fork and knife with plate trend number 3: designer kitchens. The kitchen continues to be one of the most impressive rooms in a luxury home. In 2026, oversized waterfall islands, natural oak cabinetry, marble countertops, hidden appliances, and integrated lighting are becoming the standard. Open shelving is used sparingly, while hidden storage keeps the kitchen clean and organized. Luxury kitchens are designed to be functional without sacrificing style. Bed trend number 4: hotel-inspired bedrooms. Modern luxury bedrooms focus on comfort above all else. Soft bedding, upholstered headboards, layered lighting, warm neutral colors, and natural fabrics create a peaceful environment. Large windows allow natural light to fill the room during the day, while blackout curtains provide complete privacy at night. The goal is to create a bedroom that feels like a 5-star hotel suite every single day. Bathtub trend number 5: spa-like bathrooms. Bathrooms are becoming personal wellness spaces. Freestanding soaking tubs, rainfall showers, floating vanities, large format porcelain tiles, and warm lighting create a relaxing atmosphere. Natural stone, wood finishes, and indoor plants bring a calming spa feeling into the home. These thoughtful details transform an ordinary bathroom into a luxurious retreat. Herb trend number 6: seamless indoor and outdoor living. Luxury homes are designed to blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding glass doors open onto covered patios, outdoor kitchens, fire pits, infinity pools, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning coffee or hosting an evening gathering, these outdoor living areas become natural extensions of the home. Cell phone trend number 7: smart home technology. Technology is making luxury homes more convenient than ever. Homeowners can control lighting, temperature, security systems, music, blinds, and even kitchen appliances from a smartphone or with voice commands. Energy-efficient systems, solar panels, and smart climate control also reduce energy use while improving everyday comfort. Luxury today isn't just about appearance, it's about making life easier. Sparkle's final thoughts: the biggest luxury home trend of 2026 isn't about adding more, it's about designing better. Warm natural materials, timeless architecture, thoughtful layouts, quality craftsmanship, and functional spaces are replacing flashy features that quickly go out of style. A truly luxurious home should feel calm, welcoming, and built for the way people actually live. So, which luxury home feature impressed you the most? Was it the modern architecture, the stunning kitchen, the spa-inspired bathroom, the smart home technology, or the seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home inspiration, interior design ideas, and the latest architecture trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The homes of 2026 prove that true luxury is timeless, comfortable, and designed for the future.